Hello viewers, let's see how can we make a suitable thumbnail for our Instagram reel on computer system. In last video, we made a thumbnail for Instagram reels on mobile, and my upcoming video would be the problem of the thumbnail. On screen please. Now right click on the picture and open with, then click paint, or you can open paint and bring the picture by file open. So it's done. Make it smaller to view it properly. And now click this sign, resize and skew. Click inside the pixel. 1080 is on one side and also on the another side. And also click this middle sign to break the connectivity between both sides and click OK. You can also do the same like PowerPoint or other editor. Now click a like sign for text and select the font. You can also select bold, italic, underline, alignment, and different type of font. So click on the picture and write or type a meaningful name for your Instagram reel. Now select the text and change the alignment. Also select it, click bold and give it a color. After selecting the color, now come back and click on the text so it may change the color. You can also select the background color. So click inside background fill. Tick mark, select the color and now click this sign or it's also called fill and then click on the area. Now it's done. You have changed it. Simply click File, Save or Save as PNG and JPG are both suitable extension and click Save. Now your thumbnail is ready. You can see it. You can also do the same in PowerPoint or other editors on your computer. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.